Congratulations! You're having a pinky! Don't forget to add some glitter. Aw, now she's really glowing!
Wow.
Ooh, looks like someone started a new trend. Looks like you're having an orange, Mama Pinky. Wow, that was quick. Your water broke. I've heard of speedy deliveries, but this is ridiculous. Now take a nap. We'll take care of things. Wow, triplets! And they've got a citrus theme going on. Oaxis? Oren? And Simon! Oh, sorry. Did you want to name them? Well, let's give Mama Pinky some time to bond with her new family. These guys could use a nap. You could use a crib. And, you know, furniture. Newspaper will have to do. And they say print is dead.
Uh-oh. Cool.
Still, let's make something for those rockabye babies. Add some color. Baby blue? Makes sense. I think I spoke too soon. That's not baby blue, it's sky blue. And this sky's got its own stars, including these three. Aw, nighty-night. What was that? Guess you're not sleeping tonight. Maybe you just need something to settle you. Fresh milk! You can practically taste the cow. Of course, this bottle could use some volume. But I think we're forgetting something. Oh yeah, the milk! Don't worry, your dairy godmother is here. Uh-oh, she needs an udder.
Wow.
Well, we can always make one. Much better. Now give it a good squeeze. And look, there's plenty of bottles to go around. Do you think that calmed their tummies? Well, better out than in, I always say.
Ew.
Still, I think someone needs changing. Yeah, I wouldn't hold on to that. Of course, these aren't the disposable kind. So we're gonna need a little washing machine. And this one comes with all the special features. Looking good. Now stick those dirty diapers inside. We're gonna need some extra stain remover. Ooh, it's even got the setting we need. Wow, I guess it washes and dries too. Don't worry, I'm sure we can stretch it out. You know, it's such a nice day outside. Why don't we take the babies out for a stroll? They're gonna need a baby carriage. We're fresh out of pumpkins, so cardboard will do. Either way, it's gonna need some wheels. We're gonna whip up a 4-wheel drive. Add blankets and pillows for maximum comfort. But we want to really pamper these babies in the woods. So we're gonna whip you up some pacifiers. Besides, this should ensure a nice, quiet trip. Purple polka dots. That's going out in style. And Mommy can have some me time. What the? Looks like these babies are acting naughty. Using ladders at their age. Wow, they're fast learners. Maybe someone should tell Mama. Guess we can't be too mad. You're only 5 minutes old. Besides, these guys have too much energy. So let's make something safe for them to play on. Don't forget some sturdy stairs. Still, why don't we add a personal touch too? Now Gray will also watch out for them. Someone needs to keep an eye on these kids. And Mama's right here to catch you. Just don't go too fast for her. Never mind. Actually, you guys are all getting messy. Don't worry, Mother knows best. She's gonna make you a bathtub. Plus, it's big enough to be a swimming pool. Either way, we're gonna need some water. Water usually isn't crunchy, but to each their own. Come on, guys, the paper water's fine. You too, Oren. Ah, much better. Now relax and let all your troubles wash away. And why not have swim practice while you're at it? We don't want you getting too cold. Time for some towels and some warm kisses. Still, something tells me they were in the pool too long.
Ew.
But look who's here to help. It's Ratty. Sorry, buddy. You're about to lose face. But it'd be a shame to let it go to waste. Maybe it just needs a little depth. And tissues. You can't go wrong with tissues.
Cool.
For once, it's okay to pick your friend's nose. Okay, kids, where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
Roo.
Okay, what else do kids like? Ooh, minions!
Cool.
Lay him down. Let's make him into their new toy. He's just gonna need some limbs. Some string and a clip wouldn't hurt either. Ooh, these are some great shoes. In fact, let's make a place for the minions to hang out. Now the babies have their own Minion Mobile. Aw, that puts smiles on your faces. Now off to sleep. What? Do you need a story or something? Ooh, there's somebody at the door. Why, it's our old pal. A piece of paper. And just in time for our latest craft. Looks like the babies are getting a mini Pinky Mama of their own. She'll need lips to give goodnight kisses. She's gonna need some straps on back. And let's make her a friend too. It's Sky. Now slide your hand right in. It's a new puppet. Aw, they're telling the babies a bedtime story. Now they're sound asleep, and just in time, too. But we're not done with crafting just yet. Ooh, grab that potato chip container. Are there any chips left inside? Well, Mama Pinky sure earned a little snack. But don't ditch that tube just yet. We can put a nice face on things, like Wenda's or Ratty's. Add some old fairy lights right inside the tube.
Cool.
And place each face right on top. Hot glue a little rope or twine on the bottom. Hang them up right on the ceiling. And you can always light up the night. Oh, is there a doctor in the house? Pinky needs one. Don't worry, she can do this in her sleep. Of course, you'll be the one who will be sleeping.
Phew.
We'll just need to take a quick peek inside. Ooh, there's a lot of slime in here. Or is that normal for Sprunkies? Just asking. Oh, look, it's a cute baby Simon. And look, he's got a sister, Orin. Triplets? It's Oaxis. Okay, let's patch you back up. Uh-oh. Stand back. Clear. Oh, guess she's going to that Sprunky land in the sky. Don't worry, your new mom's closer than you think. So how about we bring you guys home? Here, sit back and relax in your cute new little bed. Now let's get things started with some cardboard. We can use it to whip up a new laptop. Come on, kids, the fun's about to start. We're about to play a new Sprunki Game. Looks like we start by making friends. Literally. Just assign a Sprunky to each one. But who should we save for last? That top hat looks tempting. Are you sure the kids should be watching this? We should check on them. Guess Simon's a follower. I know. Here's something that'll cheer you up. We'll whip you up your very own Mr. Sun. Guess this guy's got some hidden depths. Either way, he sure lights up a room. Careful, kids, you'll get sick. How do you even have teeth? Here, let's whip you up a cardboard box, I guess. Look, it's your very own Mr. Fun computer. Of course, we could use a quick paint job. He also needs his hat. It's his thing. And look, he's got a hidden compartment. So he'll keep all our candy nice and safe. Let's just hope the kids don't crack the code. Still, they look angry and hungry. Hangry! But just look on the bright side. More candy for us. Oh, these kids leave their toys all over. Who wants to tell them there's no maid around here? We'll just need to make something to keep them all in. The cardboard store sure must be doing good business. Oh, wow! We've got our very own Sprunki Game! Now we just need some toys to fill it up. Of course, a game like this needs a lever. Come on, kids! We're ready for our trial run! I guess you need to pay to play. She can afford it. She owns the game. Ooh, I wonder who she's gonna get. Wow, Doraemon! He's like a million toys in one. Looks like the kids are about to become quadruplets. Oh, I guess you could use a cat nap. Let's take a photo. Uh-oh, no charge! Oh, do you have any other camera? Well then, we'll just have to make one. You know the drill. Grab some cardboard and paint. We'll even make it pinky themed, even if it's a bit on the reddish side. Careful, best to let sleeping dolls lie. The photo's ready. And look, it's already framed. This one's going right in our gallery. Nothing beats a spaghetti dinner. But you know, a little sauce wouldn't hurt. Let me guess. Cardboard meatballs? No, it's our old pal Ratty. See, kids, don't you want to be like Ratty? He's not such a picky eater. Just watch. Seriously, this guy even eats yarn. I mean, spaghetti. You should try it too. Uh-oh, these kids aren't all right. Do you mind? Mom's on the phone. Feel free to take your trash with you. Hey, what's this? Looks kind of familiar. It's a blank Sprunki. Come on, everybody. Someone's about to get a makeover. Let's start with a little mix and match. Okay, guys, be honest. Be brutal. Maybe we should pick a color. It's a Waxus! Or maybe his evil twin. Okay, maybe let's save that for Halloween. Oh no! It's the flying purple people eater! No, wait, it's our old pal Durple. And he doesn't eat purple people, I think. Here, Waxus, say hello to your new friend. Hey, careful! Uh-oh, they're at it again! Okay, you guys need a timeout. Looks like Simon's got priors. Besides, you're just in time for the puppet show. That takes care of the set. Now for our leading man. Start with something real shiny. Looks like Clucker is the star of the show. Remember to place a magnet on back. First rule of theater, the real work's behind the scenes. Clucker's gonna learn how to fly. And look, there's no strings on him. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Clucker. Chess is truly a battlefield. Truly. Okay, she's following this paper trail. Who's been using all the TP? Orin! Calm down. Everything's okay. The roll's okay. But is it me, or is it looking a little angry? You know, I'd be careful if I were you. This guy can get a little hot-headed at times. Okay, maybe I'm not being fair to him. But it's so easy to push this guy's buttons. Especially when he gets filled with hot air. Why, this guy's a regular windbag. There's a manual. Should have read this at the start. Careful where you leave your drink. Well, no sense crying over spilled water, but a cup is a terrible thing to waste. So, why not put it to better use? Unfold some paper clips. Bring them together. They're just the additions our paper cup needs. Now place our old pal Vineria on top. Twist the clip, and she's your tiny dancer. Keep going. She's got to warm up. Are you ready for her one-woman show? Our Sprunki friends are having a day out. And look, it's our new pal, Doughy the Dough Man. Uh-oh, it looks like Simon can't catch up. Guess you'll have the first playdate with Doughy, aren't you lucky? Looks like Pinky and Oren want to go on an adventure. But everyone says they're too little. Here, this should help. Aw, they grow up so fast. Still, watch out for that crocodile. Don't worry, a helicopter will fly Pinky to safety. Oren, stay where you are for now. What we really need is to sedate the croc. See, he's not such a bad guy after all. Besides, Pinky's always ready to help. This'll cheer you up. A day at the beach. Whoops, should have brought your water wings or a yacht. Uh-oh, don't worry, Pinky. We're going fishing. So, anyone in the mood for shark fin soup? Oh, Pinky's gotta be in here somewhere. Look, I think we just found her. And look what else we found. A key. Better keep this somewhere safe. Hey, look out for that snake. Don't worry, this'll suck the poison right out. We can put all that venom to better use. Throw in some scorpion while we're at it. And cockroach. They'll outlive us all. Okay, you've picked your poison. Now let's try it out. Ooh, it's a tree. An apple tree. A poisoned apple tree? They seem safe, but look, a key. Not in the mood for apples, you two? Well, who wants dessert? Hey, I ordered the baked Alaska. At least something's getting baked, I guess. Don't worry, Pinky and Oren are freelance firefighters. It's easy to take the heat when you're this cool. And you've earned the next key. You're on a roll. Walking is fun and all, but let's try the train. There's onboard dining, but you're the main course. Great idea. Let's grab some balloons. That should cheer up Pianosaurus. Yeah, you got a key and not eaten. Well, up and away with your beautiful balloon. Uh-oh, looks like we're playing Whack-A-Monster. But remember, they're not all so bad. Some of them really need our help. Well, is there a dentist in the house? Either way, a good brush is a good way to start. Another key! And we did this pro bono. Come on, girls. It's time to run through the maze. You found an end, but you wish you didn't. Maybe you'll have better luck, Orin. Oh, look, an egg. Well, hope you like omelets. Either way, there's something inside. It's Pinky. But a magician never reveals her tricks. Now let's see what's behind door number 1. Hey, it's called a privy because it's private. Ooh, number 2's the bomb. Literally. The third one's locked. Oh, if we only collected a bunch of keys. Oh, wait, we did! And now it's a super key. Ooh, I hope it works. And look, it does! Simon, we found you! That wraps things up. Pretty soon, everything will be back to normal. You all had a big day. Let's head back home. These Sprunkies are gonna sleep good tonight.